If you are watching this from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, or anywhere across Africa, you already know the frustration. You find a remote job video, you spend 3 hours applying, only to realize the company doesn't even hire in your time zone. Or worse, they want 5 years of experience for an entry-level role. The game is rigged, unless you have the right map. 2 weeks ago, while deep diving into a private digital nomad server, I stumbled across something I wasn't supposed to see. A leaked master database of over 25 remote job platforms that are actively and aggressively hiring across Africa in 2026. I didn't create this file. I'm not a recruiter. I'm just the guy who downloaded it before the link was taken down. Today I am exposing the top 4 underground sectors from this list that pay in pure USD, require 0 experience and 0 degrees. And if you stick with me until the 12-minute mark, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your own copy of this 25 site list. I had to pass a security gate to get mine, and I'll show you how to do the same. But first, let's talk about the job that is currently paying Africans to literally just text. Number 1. The Ghost Chat Moderation. Number 1. Site in the leaked file is Cloudworkers. Most people overlook this because it sounds like office work. It's not. It's chat moderation. Think about how many times a day you reply to a WhatsApp message. Now imagine getting paid 12 to 20 cents for every single message you send. No video calls. No angry customers shouting at you over the phone. Just text. The insider's secret. My competitor, Fafi, mentioned this site, but she missed the retention secret. To get hired in 2026, you cannot just apply as a beginner. The leaked file specifically notes that Cloudworkers is looking for contextual intelligence. When they ask for your experience, don't leave it blank. You need to use the digital ghost framework found in the file. Mention your ability to manage high-volume, multi-threaded conversations while maintaining brand safety. The math. If you send 100 messages an hour, which is easy if you type fast, you are looking at $400 to $600 a month for a job you can do while watching Netflix. But wait, because the next site in the file pays triple that for something called annotation. Number 2. The AI Annotation. In number 2 site TELUS International. In 2026, AI is everywhere, but AI is actually quite dumb. It needs people in Africa to teach it. This is called data annotation. I worked on a project inside TELUS called Project Sonic. While the general public is waiting for a virtual assistant job, the insiders are getting paid $15 to $50 per hour to simply label images or check search results for accuracy. The re-engagement point. Now here is the part 99% of people get wrong. They apply for 5 projects at once and get banned. The leaked file has a red flag warning. Apply to 1 project, wait for the confirmation, then scale. If you are in Nigeria, there is a specific native speaker project right now that doesn't even require English fluency. It requires your local dialect. The file gives you the cheat sheet to pass the English fluency test they give you afterward. This is how you secure a $1,000 plus per month income from home. Before we continue, subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification to get notified anytime I have a new update secret. The reason I created the video, the 25 site file leak. I need to address the elephant in the room. I've shown you 2 sites, but there are 23 more in this leaked database. I'm talking about sites like Crossover, where I found roles paying $30 to $50 an hour for customer support, and Appen, which has a secret high priority list from this 2026. I cannot list all 25 here because the YouTube algorithm would flag the video as spam. More importantly, we need to keep these sites under the radar so they don't get oversaturated. How to get the file? I've put the link to the remote job master database in the video description and comment section below. When you click the link, then click download file, you will see a security gate. This is an AI verification step. The person who leaked the file put this there to stop bots from stealing the data and selling it. You just need to complete 1 quick task, usually a 30-second survey or checking out a free app, mostly for Africa, using a real SIM with real airtime to unlock it, because they believe bot cannot perform those actions. As soon as you finish, the 25 site PDF will automatically unlock. I had to do it to get my copy, and it took me less than 30 seconds. Once you have it, save it to your Google Drive. Now, let's look at the 3rd hidden industry, the microtask revolution. Number 3. The Enotalk microtasks. For those of you who say, I don't want to talk to anyone and I don't want to teach, site number 3 in the list is Cloudworkers. This is the ultimate 0 experience entry point. You are doing microtasks, categorizing images, recording short voice clips, or testing website buttons. The 2026 strategy. Most people make $2 a day on these sites and quit. The leaked file explains the UHRS level up strategy. There is a hidden portal inside Cloudworkers called UHRS. If you pass the assessment, and the cheat sheet for that assessment is on page 12 of the file, you get access to tasks that pay 5x more. I've seen people in South Africa and Nigeria hitting $20 a day just doing these microtasks between their regular chores. It's not get rich quick, but it's get paid today. The difference between the person earning in Naira and the person earning in USD is simply access to the right link. You now have the strategy. You know about Cloudworkers, Telus, and Cloudworkers. But more importantly, you know where to find the other 22 goldmine sites. Don't be the person who just watches another video. Be the person who takes action. Go to the pinned comment, get through the verification gate, and download that 25 site list. Pick one site today. Not 5. Just one. Play. If you get stuck, drop a comment with the word resources, and I'll personally reply to help you out. The remote compass is here to make sure you never have to worry about a local salary again. I'll see you in the next one. Click that link and let's get to work.